I believe it is a great day to open up a pack of football cards. We got 1991 Fleer. Provisions are a possibility. We'll rip it open and see who we've got. Pepper Johnson. We got Simon Fletcher, Alan Pinkett, a Bobby Humphrey All-Pro. We got Andre Tippett, Anthony Dilweg. He did great things in Green Bay. We got a Jim Everett. Put up Jim Everett. We have a hitter's Derek Thomas. Tony Page. We got Benny Blades. Wilbur Marshall. Pat Swilling. We're going to end with Howie Long. Thank you so much for watching. I don't think that was too bad of a pack. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe.